Based on normalcy, it's based on our living. It had nothing really to do with the war in Ukraine, in which I can bet none of us saw this coming, right? But however, it's here. So with that being said, now even more we have to go towards normalcy. Now even more we have to take our economical activities and put them in the forefront, because gas prices will go up, oil prices will go up, and by side effect, consumer prices will go up. Therefore now, we definitely have to put St. Martin in the forefront. The tourism board needs to advertise as much as possible. We need to let people know we are open. The economic activities like the regatta, the St. Martin Music Festival, the carnival for summer, we definitely need to promote our island. The reason I say this, we have a one-pillar economy in which this government is working very hard to change and add some more pillars, but the fact remains we have a one-pillar economy. So in order to survive, we need as much people here as possible. So definitely, we are on a race to normalcy. As of the 15th, the mask mandate is over. After that, the 3 o'clock closure times is over. We have to live. Businesses need to survive. People need to work extra hours, whether it's bartenders, waitresses, bouncers, cooks, whatever it is they need to do to survive. We need now to boost economical activity. And that is the purpose of this.